Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
As crop hoppers.
I'm running on vapors. I need to land.
What are you doing out here with an empty tank?
Well,
Got touched a nerve.
On your mark, get set. Uno for the money, due for the show.
Major, let's go! You're on!
Thanks for the help, Corporal.
anything for one of Poc's mates. This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
oblige. McQueen, hanging on for dear life when suddenly them two nasty lemons.
Lightning Dragon McQueen!
I'll take care of it.
I know him. This is the bloke that called into the television show. You're the one I have to thank.
No, thank you.
Mike, this is Blackout, Pinecone Avalanche, and Evil Penobscule over there is Dread. Well, that's how I used to feel when I was driving for the Lower Bell County Unified School District.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will beat his...
When it didn't. Silly Rosie.
All right, if you can drive as good as you can fix a road, then you can win this race with your eyes.
¡Hay que ir recto! ¡Ya oí suficiente! ¡Y fuera!
Hey, Luigi, this new road makes your place look like a dump.
That's crazy.
I seen these two fellas doing some sort of karate street performance. It was nuts. One of them even had a flamethrower.
Wirt will assign one to him. Hey! Anyone want to be his lawyer?
Flame job. Maybe ghost flames. You like old school pinstriping? Von Dutch style, huh?
easy with the confetti. What's going on? Come on, snap some pictures. I gotta go sign my deal with Dinah.
I'm telling you, man, every third blink is slower.
Favorite thing.
Points lead, heading into the final race of the season. And the winner of this race, Darryl, will win the season.
You know him, so when Francesco is away from home, he misses his mama, just like you miss.
What's going on, ladies? All right now, let's have us a little look-see.
Ramon, Mama ain't seen you that low in years.
I haven't seen a road like...
Act civilized.
Don't look at me. I could use a break without either one of you. Hey, Ramon can fix you up.
After microscopic examination, I found that it has one small weakness. When hit with...
Oh, nice costume. Come here, let's get a picture. It's so great to meet my #1 fan.
There you are.